Good morning, everyone. It is Monday morning now. It's a little after 8 o'clock and we are headed to the gym. We slept for like 9 hours. That bed was super comfy. It was a king, which is bigger than our bed at home, so that was really nice. So we are gonna go to the gym for a little bit, probably not work out too long, and then we're gonna get some coffee and get some breakfast. So we are walking to the gym now, so when we get there, I will show you what their gym looks like. Walking back from the gym. He walked for a little bit and talked to his dad on the phone. I walked on an incline and then I did some abs. I tried to get as much footage as I could without violating other people's privacy while they're working out. So I hope you can get at least a good idea of what the gym looks like. It looks like, I don't know if they ever had any free weights, but it looks like they've moved those probably due to COVID. So they had a few machines and they definitely had some good cardio machines. So we are going to shower now. And then there's like Paris inside this hotel, which you saw some footage of in yesterday's vlog. So we are gonna go to Paris to get some breakfast and some coffee. So this is what I meant when I said we were eating breakfast in Paris. They have this whole little place underground where they have like fake sky up there and like trees, and it looks like a whole little village down here. And we got breakfast at this little bakery and clearly it was delicious because it's already gone. This is what the strip looks like in daylight. So this is where we were walking last night, just brighter outside. And where we were just in, there was actually an Eiffel Tower sticking out of the building. So we are gonna walk along here and go find some shops to explore. Planet Hollywood for lunch. It's really cool in here. I ordered a salad with some chicken and he got a pepperoni pizza. Otherwise, we've done some shopping. We went to Levi's. I'm getting some jeans personalized and he got a jean button-up shirt. And we went to Pandora and I got this cute little sapphire birthstone ring and this little heart one to stack it with. We've just been exploring some shops and it's been really fun just exploring around town. We can get it to focus. There's the view behind me. You can just see all the city. It's super cool. So yeah, we haven't done anything super exciting, but we are having a really fun time. So I will keep you updated when our food gets here to show you what it looks like, because I'm sure it's going to be really good. updated you. We finished lunch and we walked around and did a little more shopping. And then I just got done doing something really exciting. I got a tattoo! I am so in love with it. We went to a place called Hart and Huntington here in Vegas. They have a shop in the Forum Mall. And I got it done by this guy named Eric, and he did such an incredible job. And I'm just so impressed with his work. I have a couple other tattoo ideas in mind, and I think I'm gonna have to fly out to Vegas now if I'm gonna get them, because I'm just so in love with this tattoo. So yeah, I just got a tattoo. So we are gonna go walk around and probably find somewhere to eat dinner, but that is my update for now. Everyone, we went to Topgolf last night and got home really late, so I didn't record anything. We got back to our hotel room. I literally got home and fell asleep. It is the next day. It is now Tuesday and it is about 8:30 and I am heading to the gym. Cole wanted to stay in bed and get some extra sleep, so he is still sleeping, but I am heading off to the gym. I have my key card so I can get back in and get into the gym. It's pretty secure here, so I feel pretty safe, and I'm gonna go get as much of a workout in as I can. I know because I just got a tattoo, I'm not really supposed to sweat too much, but I just wanted to get my body moving, maybe do some abs this morning. So that is what I'm heading off to do. Oh my gosh, there's so much weed here. We are walking from the Miracle Mile shops over to New York, New York. We bought sweatshirts because it is way colder than we thought it was going to be here. We just went to a place called the Tipsy Robot. He got something called the Vanilla Machine, which is like vanilla spiced whiskey and stuff. I made my own. It's a mango pineapple coconut energy drink with vodka and rum and stuff. It's very good. I I also just converted him to Key sunglasses. He had never heard of the brand Key Australia before, and all of his sunglasses are usually from Oakley, so they're around $200. He was so surprised that these were like 60 bucks and he loved them.